All right, what's going on? It's Mike back again with another video. In this video, we got this all-electric BMW midsize SUV. It's a 2023. Wife takes it with all the kids. We're going to be doing the interior. And we open the doors, you will see the inside, and it is hammered for being only a year old. I already got all my bio bomb tablets ready to go. Got some Express, my carpet bomber, which it's actually not carpet bomber, it's a Terminator. Got the steamer ready, got some towels, my Tornador, shot vacs on the other side ready to go, got my lighting ready. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. I'm gonna start in the back. I'm gonna do some vacuuming, work my way up to the front, and then come back and start steaming.
How do you like that vacuum? Because a lot of people have the rigid.
Well, I'm a Dewalt guy because all my tools are all Dewalt, so I got the Dewalt shot vac. It works just the same as the rigid. It has the same horsepower, same suction, but I got the rigid adapter at the front. I only have it because it's Dewalt, and it was on sale at Costco for 89 bucks. Actually, it is this week too, and it's the only reason why I have it. Again, so when you use gloves, don't use cheap gloves. Get the stuff that won't rip. I mean, I can stretch the shit out of these and they won't even rip. Just don't use cheap gloves. I get these, I think they're, 90 gloves. I forgot, I think these are 7 mil or 8 mil. What are these? I know they're hella thick. I don't even know what mils these are. They're heavy duty 2-layer protection. But I've been using these ever since I've been detailing for, I don't know, I can't remember how long I've been detailing. It's been a super long time, but they don't rip. They're great.
What do you think of this interior, Mike?
Yeah, it's hammered. It's gonna take a minute, but I get it. I got all the tools to make it go quick. I'm hoping. I've had some dirty ones, but this is one of the dirty ones I've had this year. Well, see, as you can tell, all the dog hair is all up, so I can just pick it up really easily. So next I'm gonna steam it. I'm gonna wipe it down with the towel, and then it'll be clean after that. Just one little quick vacuum once it dries, and it'll be good to go.
All right, Mike, for people who don't know, what package is this?
This is just, so I don't separate my packages. So he wanted a full package. I don't have full packages, so I gave him an interior. So the interior for this one's $225, and then he wanted a wash. So I don't have just a basic wash unless I've done a ceramic coating on your car. Then you'll get a wash. So he gets at least a wash and wax, which is $175. So that's his total package, which was like 400, I believe, 400 bucks.
All right, Mike, for interior chemicals, what should go to?
Today, I'm going with Express. I'm doing all PNS today. Right now I'm using the PNS Express thinner because when it comes to the plastics, it's not too bad. Plus on the perforated seats, it foams really quick. So I don't want nothing that I spraying to go into the perforated seats and then get onto the foam. So that's why I'm using the Express.
because it foams fast. That's why I'm doing it. You know, when you're doing the perforated seats, you don't want to spray right onto the seat itself. So that's why I like using the Scrub Ninja, 1 or 2 squirts, and then just kind of work your way to the side and then get in to the seat. So you just get the top of the seat itself, so it doesn't penetrate into the foam. And then you can just take your blower and your air compressor and whatever is left, if you could blow what's left that didn't pop up. If up after that, you can leave it. But if you want to get real technical, you can get a toothpick and pick them out. But we're not getting technical today. All right, so I remember the customer telling me when he got here, he said one of these buttons was sticky, so I'm just gonna, that's actually not that bad in here, so I'm just gonna do a couple little squirts here. I'm gonna take my brush, which has got some stiff bristles. I'm just gonna hold it tight. I'm just gonna get in there and kind of like scrub it real good. Like get in there in between everything and scrub it. Get everything real good. I think that's what he was telling me, those ones were the ones that was getting them. Then what I'm gonna do with my steam, I know the buttons are going pretty good.
The people want to know, man, this is an all-electric car. Is there a big difference compared to a regular vehicle, or they're all the same?
They're all pretty much the same. It's just the screen's a little bit different. They're always bigger, but that's about the only thing that's different. And you don't have to worry about asking them for an engine detail. But you can ask, hey, you can mess with them though, and ask them, hey, if you get a free wash, if you give me a wash and wax, I'll give you a free engine detail. They'll get them to think about that for a minute, because it is all electric, so there's no engine. So the way I do perforated seats is the way I do them. You guys can comment below, show me how you guys do them. So what I do, I start on the perimeter, like this, then I work my way in. That's why I like using Express, because it foams up, and it doesn't allow it to penetrate really through the holes of the perforated seats. So then once the bubbles stop, 1 or 2 squirts, get my stuff, and then work my way in. Stretch it out, get in between the cracks. But it works really, really well. That's the way I do it. So let me know in the comments down below, how do you guys do it? So that you guys don't let everything fall through so it gets into the foam. And then whatever it doesn't come up, I just use an air tool or just the air and blow it out.
There's a lot of detailers out there that feel they have to get every single hole, every little thing inside every single hole. Is that possible? Is that the right mindset?
That's not the right mindset unless they're paying for it. But no, if they want to, make sure the customer's paying for it, because it is your time, and get a toothpick. Toothpicks will do really good for it. I mean, that's what I would do, get a toothpick. But I've only had to do that once, and the customer did pay for it, is only because they puked on perforated seats. And they paid for the time, because you are sitting there literally one by one with a toothpick. Well, that's what I used. and poked every single hole after I tried to clean and get everything and blow it all out, and got them all out. But they paid for my time. But that's what I do. All right, so I finished the front. As you can see earlier in the video, I said don't worry about getting everything on your first vacuum, because look, I vacuumed from the back to the front. Now I'm working from the front to the back, and just from cleaning the front and blowing everything back this way, you can see just from cleaning everything on the front, I still now have a mess here, and I've already vacuumed all this already once. I still got to steam the carpets and everything. So this is why you don't worry about getting 100% on the first time. Don't waste your time. Just get what you can with your vacuum and your air tool, and just get your Terminator down if that's what you do. And because I steam carpets, if you use your shampooer, then use your shampooer. But this you're gonna get this when you come back the second time. I always vacuum twice, and because it's gonna happen. When I use my steam, the steam's gonna get stuff I'm not even gonna see. There's gonna be little sand and stuff in here. They got kids, and there's gonna be crumbs in here that I'm not gonna see that I didn't get. So don't waste your time on the first vacuum. Just get 85 to 90% on the first try, and just start cleaning and just get everything on the wrap up. Get your 100% on the second time.
So Mike, why do you put a bottle bomb in there?
Because this little tablet, it's an odor eliminator, and so every time, and these, they don't cost very much, so I put it through my steam, and so everything I use in there, like on the carpets, plastics and everything, it's just eliminated, so when they get back in there, they have a fresh smell, and it gets the funk out. That's their saying, it gets the funk out.
All right, Mike, what's next?
I'm just gonna do the natural finish on the plastics and the seats, just for just a little bit of protection. For those who could be waiting for me to do the glass, wait till next week when you see the wash getting done, because that's when I'm gonna do the glass. I'm gonna do the glass at the same time when I wash the vehicle. That won't be in this video, but I'm gonna get all the rest of this done. I'm gonna be doing the trim and everything on the next video as well, because I'm gonna wash it with the exterior wash, which is gonna be getting it sealed and everything. So stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below.
Hey, it's not too glossy, huh?
Nuh-uh.
Do you like it like that?
Yeah, natural finish.
Finish. There's some customers that don't like the glossiness, right?
Oh, I don't either. I won't do it. If someone asks for it, I'll still tell them no.
Why?
It's not right. Usually if you get the gloss, it's not going to be water-based. It's going to be like either oil-based or some type of something else, and it'll actually reflect it. It'll make your plastics hotter. It could crack. It's like Armor All. It's junk. The water-based is a lot better. Doesn't last as long either, but it's okay though. That's why you gotta clean your car a lot more. So I always use a white sponge because I want to check something, how I clean the car. So I use natural finish, which can pick up some dirt, and if I did plastic trim and all that stuff. So here's the clean side I didn't use. All right, here's the side I used. So if I didn't clean as well, this side would be dirty. All right, clean side I just used. So it's telling me I cleaned the car pretty good. So if you like watching detailing videos, product reviews, how-to videos, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below. Next week you'll see this car getting washed. Of course, windows will get done next week. So thanks for watching. See you guys next week.